C. Answer any 3 questions. 20th question. Explain selection control in Python with suitable example. Selection control. A selection control statement is a control statement providing selective execution of instructions. A selective control structure is a given set of instructions and the selection control statements controlling their execution. If statement is a selection control statement based on the value of a given Boolean expressions. A statement that contains other statements such as the if statement is called a compound statement. For example, if statement, example use. If condition statements, else statement. If grade greater than equal to 70, print passing grade, else print falling grade. If grade double equal to 100, print perfect score. For example, a temperature conversion program, Celsius to Fahrenheit to Celsius. First denotes a display program welcome and program will be convert temperature Fahrenheit to Celsius and enter F to convert a Fahrenheit to Celsius. Enter C is denote a convert Celsius to Fahrenheit to print the program and then get temperature to convert which equal to input enter a selection temp equal to int input enter temperature to convert determine a temperature conversions needed and display results. If which w equal to F converted temperature minus 32 into 5 bar 9 print temperature degree Fahrenheit equals converted temperature is degree Celsius, else converted temperature 9 bar 5 into temp plus 32 print temp comma degree Celsius equals converted temperature degrees Fahrenheit. Indentation in Python. In Python, however, indentation is used to associate and group statements. A header in Python is a specific keyword followed by a colon. Headers that are part of the same compound statement must be indented the same amount, otherwise a syntax error will be result. A set of statements following a header in Python is called suite, currently called a block. The statement of given a suite must all be indented the same amount. A header and its associated suite are together referred to as a clause. A compound statement in Python may consist of one or more clauses. For example, first clause of if statement, header and suite if which double equal to F. Second class of if statements, else, header and suite. Valid indentation and invalid indentation. A, B, C, D converted in 4 parts. If condition statements, else. If it is used this way, multi-way selection means nested if statements. If statements can be nested in Python resulting in multi-way selection. Nested if statements is denoted if condition and else if conditions. Example must denoted if grade greater than equal to 90 print grade of A, print grade of B, C, D and this type. And then credit 545 means if credit 590 print senior, else if credit 560 print junior, if credit 530 is sophomore and then credits 51 it's a freshman, and then else print no earned credits. The else if header is Python. Python has another header called else if that provides multi-way selection in a single if statement. A final else clause may be used to catch all situations. It's the same thing given example for if grade greater than equal to 90 like this grade of A, B, C, D and F. And then 21st question. Explain computational problem solving. It's a process which program being only one of the steps. Before a program is written, a design for the program must be developed. And before a design can be developed, the problem to be solved must be well understood. Once written, the program must be thoroughly tested. For example, analysis, design, implementation and testing. Clearly analyze this problem means clearly understand the problem, know the consistent solutions. Design means determine what type of data is needed, determine how data is to be structured and find and or design appropriate algorithm. Implementation means represent a data with programming language, implement algorithm in programming language. Testing means test the program on a selected set of program instructions and correct and understand the causes of any errors found. Problem analysis understanding the problem. Once a problem is clearly understood, the fundamental computational issues for solving it can be determined. For each of the problems discussed earlier representing in the straightforward, for example, the man cabbage goat wolf MCGW problem, brute force algorithmic approach in trying all these possible solutions works very well, since there's a small number of actions that can be taken each step and only a relatively small number of steps for reaching a solution. Knowing what constitutes a solution, besides clearly understanding a computational problem, one must know what consists a solution. For some problems, there's only one solution. For others, there may be a number or infinite number of solutions. A program may be started to finding a solution, a approximate solution, a best solution, all solutions. For example, MCGW problems are infinite number solutions, since the man could pointlessly row back the fourth actress levers of arbitrary number of times. Program design. Describing the data needed. For the MCGW problem, a list can be used to represent a current location east and west of the man's MC goat wolf. Discussed earlier, reproduced below. So, it's denoted east and west. Describing the need algorithms. When solving a computational problem, either suitable existing algorithms may be found or new algorithms must be developed. For MCGW problems, there are standard search algorithms that can be used. Problem implementation means, since we are programming in Python, the implementations need to be expressed in a syntactically correct, the appropriate way using the instructions and features available in Python. Program testing. Software testing is a crucial part of software development. Testing is done incrementally as a program is being developed. When the program is complete, when the program needs to be updated. 22nd question. Write a Python code to temperature conversion program using function concept. Program. Temperature conversion program Celsius to Fahrenheit, Fahrenheit to Celsius. First block is denoted display welcome, display window. Definition: display welcome of. This program will be convert a range of temperatures. Enter F is denoted by a converted Fahrenheit to Celsius. Enter C is denoted by a convert Celsius to Fahrenheit. And the next suit is get convert to, which equal to input enter selection, which exclamatory equal to F and which exclamatory equal to C, and enter a selection and then return which. Definition: display Fahrenheit to Celsius, start and end. /n, it's denoted a new line to degrees, Fahrenheit to Celsius, start n+1, temperature -32 into 5/9, print 4.lf, format converted by 4.lf, display Celsius to Fahrenheit, start and end, the same thing, it's denoted by +32, and then same step to be displayed, and then main function to be start, display program welcome. Display welcome of means get which conversion from user, which get convert to of the function will be used. Get range of temperature to convert means get start and get end. Starting temperature to convert, ending temperature to convert, to print that. Display range of converted temperature, if condition will be used, if which double equal to F, display Fahrenheit to Celsius, start to end, else display Celsius to Fahrenheit means start to end. 23rd question. Explain exception handling and user input. Exception handling and user input. Programmer defined functions may raise exceptions in addition to the exception raised by the built-in functions of Python. For example, valid equal to false while not valid. If you try month equal to int input, enter current month 1 to 12. While month less than 1 or month 12 means print invalid input must be range 1 to 12. So month input, enter a current month 1 to 12 means valid true, except valid is error in print invalid month value. Definition: get match month input, enter current month, and raise value error means invalid month value. If condition should be used. 24th question. Explain in detail polymorphism in Python with suitable examples. Polymorphism. The word polymorphism derives from Greek meaning something that takes many forms. In object-oriented programming, polymorphism allows objects of different types, each with their own specific behaviors, to be treated as the same general type. For example, shape. It will be used a getSet method. Get xy loc of set xy loc of. It's not a shapes circle, square, triangle. These three shapes will be used as same two methods, and then cal area of method also. So class shape, it's define the four suites or block. First definition xy, and then get xy loc, and then set xy loc, and then cal area of self. It's a raise not implementation error, means method cal area not implemented to be displayed on the output. Subclasses of the shape class must implement the calc area method, otherwise a not implemented error expression is raised. A class in which one or more methods are unimplemented or only implemented to raise an exception is called abstract class. It's denoted three shapes in separate sheets or separate blocks. First denoted by a class circle of shape. It's denoted definition cell xy or, and then shape and the radius, and then definite calc area, and the next one is square shape at the same thing to be displayed, and then triangle, and the same thing to display the triangle type. First model question paper is completed.